Starting around 05 August 2023, Bitcoin money for the most part is exchanging at $225.51 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.87% in absolute most recent 1 hour in a truly significant manner. BCH most certainly has a sort of all-out market cap of $4,390,165,172, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $191,541,530 and in every practical sense enormous way. This fundamentally makes Bitcoin money, BCH, most certainly positioning at 17 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023. What will Bitcoin money generally be truly worth in 2023? Which essentially is very critical. Is Bitcoin money a very wise speculation or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious way? Will BCH cost truly outperform its unequaled all things considered high in a sort of huge way? These by and large are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin money estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost especially is supposed to really cross a sort of normal value level of $259.46, the normal least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to especially be $248.26, or so they by and large thought. Besides, BCH can for the most part arrive at a truly greatest value level of $285.43 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Bitcoin money cost especially is gauged to generally arrive at a least cost of $214.92, or so they in a real sense thought. The BCH cost could in a real sense arrive at a very most extreme cost of $241.78, with the truly normal expected cost around $235.06 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin money cost in every practical sense is gauged to truly arrive at a fundamentally the most reduced cost of $228.57 in a sort of huge manner. The BCH cost could sort of arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $253.53, with the really normal expected cost around $239.77, exhibiting how Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin money cost essentially is conjecture to explicitly arrive at an especially the least cost of $228.57 in a fundamentally significant manner. Bitcoin money, BCH value conjecture October 2023. The Bitcoin money, BCH cost for October 2023 may explicitly arrive at an extremely least worth of $235.61. While the essentially greatest estimated cost really is around $263.12 in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The in every practical sense normal cost for BCH explicitly is essentially anticipated to reach $244.56 in October 2023, in a for the most part large manner. Bitcoin money value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the truly greatest cost for Bitcoin money could generally stretch around $275.35, so the BCH cost could in a real sense arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $253.53, with the all things considered normal expected cost around $239.77, showing how Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin money cost explicitly is gauged to sort of arrive at a practically the least cost of $228.57 in a genuinely enormous manner. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 in every practical sense is $242.94, with a for the most part normal cost of $251.90 in a significant manner. Bitcoin money value conjecture December 2023. In December 2023, the greatest cost for Bitcoin money could sort of stretch around $285.43, exhibiting how this most certainly makes Bitcoin money, BCH really positioning at 17 in the digital currency market, which truly is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 explicitly is $248.26, with a typical cost of $259.46. Bitcoin money past value examination, in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense has been certainly diminished by 0.91% in its ongoing worth, demonstrating the way that the BCH cost could arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $241.78, with the typical expected cost around $235.06, or so they truly thought. Assuming we fundamentally think about the sort of current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap most certainly is additionally down, which by and large is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with genuinely other crypto coins, demonstrating the way that the BCH cost could especially arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $253.53, with the truly normal expected cost around $239.77, exhibiting how Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin money cost generally is conjectured to arrive at a sort of the most minimal cost of $228.57, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. The BCH for the most part is down to nearly 6.06% in the by and large most recent 7 days, in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin for the most part is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for pretty past kind of couple of days. The coin could truly have areas of strength for genuinely in any case. We don't for the most part believe that it would a beneficial resource in by and large present moment, which in a real sense is very critical. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the kind of current cost and fundamentally beyond 30 days cost history, it generally is seen that Bitcoin money in every practical sense has expanded 40.299% in its worth really as opposed to mainstream thinking. The typical most certainly least cost for the month in a real sense is $130.31, while in every way that really matters, greatest kind of normal cost truly was $134.63 in a genuinely enormous manner. This infers that this coin explicitly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to pretty your arrangement of coins for pretty long haul, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change is around 41.55%, and the cost really coursed from a base pretty typical cost of $125.38 to in every practical sense, most extreme essentially normal cost of $134.